Hello, friends. Today I will be letting you know how I actually did crack the Infosys interview and actually got selected. And yeah, I have now joined Infosys, and yeah, it was a hard decision. I was also having another offer. I had multiple offers, but Infosys, yeah, it's come with the brand name plus you have a security plus you have a good domain to learn. And so, likewise, today my main major topic would be around how I applied, what was the process, what was my mood during all of the recruitment process, what was the entire date, what were the total tenure of selection, the way, the process, how many interviews I gave. So, yeah, so let's get started. But before getting started, please hit the like button below and also do subscribe because in the upcoming videos I will be letting you know how is my journey, and also yeah, I would be actually also getting a joining kit with a laptop. So yeah, that would be an interesting part to see like which laptop did I get good. And likewise I would be also doing an unboxing of that. And yeah, and I would be giving you time to time sneak peek to my day-to-day routine in Infosys. So yeah, so my job search started last January, around mid, and I did apply for TCS, Infosys, Uplers, and multiple areas. And yeah, luckily I was able to crack all of those three. But yeah, I did got why I selected Infosys because it was one of the first offer that I got, and I pretty much liked the role which it was offering me. Here I am offered a role of technological analyst, and it is type of lead. I will be leading around 2 to 3 people in my team, and yeah, and below me there are around like three sub levels like senior system engineer, and training. So I am allotted to a group 4, level 4 area as technology analyst at Infosys. So, how did I get started? So, basically, yeah, I waited for it too much because, yeah, I have in total 5 years of experience, and the position which I have been offered, it is basically, you can say it is in like it requires 5 years of experience. So, how I in this video I will also let you know like how can you apply, what is the process, and likewise like how can you actually like go through various areas, and how can you apply for jobs. So yeah, so it basically upon like how can you do it. So firstly what you need to do is you need to log in into Infosys by any of you can log in, you can either create a new account, you register. I have already registered it. And you can use any of these. I have used Google login because yeah, because it's much safe and secure. So now the next step, what you should do is you must find a specific job role which you like. I belong basically to front end and back end area like JavaScript and HTML developer. So yeah, as you can see I have joined this and it has a tag of joined. So the experience of interview process at Infosys was pretty good. I actually loved the way how they conducted interviews. They kept me updated. Like yeah, it took me around like a month of recruitment, and yeah, likewise you can select any of your selection from here and select your location. If you are from India, you're from US, wherever you're from, and then hit this search button, and likewise you will be able to see multiple jobs like this, and then you can just view and apply, and you can check the job role, and likewise you can apply. Yeah, you need to have an updated CV with proper job description. And yeah, in future videos I will also let you know like how can you create a standing out CV or resume so that you can apply for Infosys in bigger MNC giants. And so yeah, so next I did as soon as I applied, I did got a verification message for to my mobile WhatsApp and to my Gmail. So basically and they gave me this portal, and then I got this, that first this was been clicked, like applied one, and after some time I did got some verification check. I needed to like verify my phone number and email. Likewise, like process like started and began. For example, they asked me for my education details. Then when everything was good, so then they helped me to schedule my interview. I selected my date according to me, and then yeah, I did attend an interview. I attended couples of interview. I don't know like why it is specific for me, but yeah, I attended a total of like 2 to 3 interviews, and yeah, they were pretty much on above average questions. They were like good questions. So like they were mainly asked for like a basic to high level. Not, they do not ask like medium question, they ask the basic questions in the high level questions. So yeah, and after some time, like this process happened, it took a long time. Like after some, I frankly speaking, I lost the hope like I would be selected here, and I was going for TCS. But as soon as I opened once, it had like review in progress. I thought, yeah, that's a sign. So I waited and waited, and yeah, and then finally the offer was released on 24th, I think Feb, might be. Yeah, and I don't remember the date. So yeah, and likewise I did accepted the offer. And this second day, because yeah, I did consult in my family, because yeah, family to play a good role, and they wanted me to join the Infosys because yeah, like it had a good track record, and it's specifically focused on women empowerment, and I like that thing very much. And yeah, and next um I did joined and selected everything. I did had an onboarding process, and yeah, like I they did even generated, and they have I was having around 600 plus people in the WebEx interview panel. And yeah, like everyone was been onboarded, and yeah, and it was a good experience, well, pretty good experience. And yeah, I would be joining this March and this like this year, and I think it would be a good opportunity for me. They even asked me for a laptop delivery, because yeah, the current laptop which I have been using, it is like another company's laptop. So likewise, I will be receiving and joining a kit from Infosys. So yeah, very very excited about that. And yeah, I would surely be making a video of my joining kit and unboxing as soon as I get that particular kit. And yeah, likewise, let me know if you have any issues, if you are facing any application issues. If the application is stuck, don't panic, everything will be online. But you just need to wait. Like it actually take from like review progress, it takes around 10 days according to my scenario. At my basis, it just took me 10 days, and I actually lost hope. So yeah, but and finally I have joined, and I am very happy about it. So please like do like this video, as we have ended the subscription like for now. And yeah, and do subscribe, because yeah, information have some good role. So yeah, I would be providing future subscriptions as well. So yeah, thank you.